do that. So.
Well, you've got to do the plate thing.
Yeah, somebody's got a video because you have to. You've got to work
That's
the
our new one.
It's already going. Oh God.
I'm gonna have to do mine as well.
Well, I'm not back far enough.
We got that just
I'm
for the
not
baby.
low enough.
I don't see you.
And the ice cream's melted, so.
All right. Happy birthday.
I feel like I'm gonna wear some of this.
You guys are
Well,
going.
You haven't moved to plate enough.
Oh, I've got a stall, like a.
The chicken's like, I'm on this. Okay, well,
Good job, chickens.
it's good to know. Good to know.
Try it again.
When we
We gotta work on our
when we
technique.
launched our product idea, we need to have the catcher's mitt plates be at least strong enough.
At
So
least
glad
strong
that you
enough
got
to
that on
receive
video.
the blueberry buckle. Yum.
The vanilla ice cream.
Okay.
This has a half gallon of blueberries from Three Birds Farm. Beautiful.
Get your.
Okay, so China is not necessarily recommended.
No, you need
Sorry,
something-
Tim,
you
I
need
can't
something
really
that-
get your head in
That's
this.
okay.
Okay, there we go.
As long as the ice cream's in, that's the important
Are
stuff.
you even near the plate?
Whoa! That was good.
That was good.
Cheers.
You know, I don't
Cheers.
need any more.
But I need to catch something.
I'm having too much fun for this to stop. Tim's like, for God's sakes, I gotta eat.
No, I'm fine.
He's like, I'm going again.
Honey,
Here, I'll.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Tim's the only scooper, though.
I just need a, yeah.
Thank you.
I'll scoop. You're gonna catch.
Are you done?
Wow,
Thank
okay.
you.
Bill's catching?
Bill's,
All right.
Uh-oh, Bill's catching.
All right.
Oh, I
Getting
did
crazy.
both hands. You saw
Yeah.
what
Alright,
happened.
got your safety
What?
glasses.
Document it.
Can you get up there? Ooh,
Oh.
it's getting a little.
Lily,
It's getting a
don't be
little
a
loose.
Lily.
All right.
I've been that way before.
I know.
Whoa, look at how he's even going higher than ever before.
He's going to the trees. Mountaintop!
Yeah.
Lily said, I don't want to see it anymore.
Like, you people act like adults, for God's
What
sake.
is wrong with you guys?
I don't know how to turn it off.
That's right.
Happy birthday, Luke.
Things that make sense are not making sense anymore.
Fun.
We could call the ice cream place Cow Flops.
Cow flops. Cow flops.
Here you go.
Good times.
Here you go. Want to try the buckle? It's really yummy. I'm so
All right.
telling you, the best
You're missing out,
cake
man.
you've ever had.
Everybody wave goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.